Have you ever thought a stain was impossible to remove? As a pet owner guardian, I know exactly how frustrating that can be. I have an older cat, and every once in a while, when she isn't feeling well, she might accidentally soil our bed. After cleaning up as much as possible by hand this time, I was still left with a noticeable stain on my white blanket and also odor. That's when I decided to try Active Pet Laundry Detergent. This is an enzyme-based powder detergent and is designed to tackle tough pet messes, including urine, drool, vomit, and other stubborn protein-based stains. I also appreciate that it is fragrance-free, so instead of masking odors, it's formulated to help remove them. Because this blanket was heavily soiled, I added 2 scoops to the washing machine before starting to cycle. And the final result was exactly what I was hoping for. The stain was gone, my white blanket looks fresh and clean, and it also smelled fresh. If you share your home with pets, this might be worth adding to your laundry routine.